What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Wes, back at you another video. Today is a brief video on a few updates on the tool called Cartoonizer that's on SocialBook.io. With that being said, let's get it cracking. So, as you boys and girls may or may not know, Cartoonizer is basically a tool on SocialBook.io that allows you to cartoonize either your face or your full body. Now, they recently made an update to the Cartoonizer tool, which now allows you to add a sticker effect to your photos and extra effects that you could add to your photo. So I'm going to show you how to do it quick. So you go to Gogh Tools, you click that, then the tab to the right of Gogh Tools is going to be Profile Cartoonizer. You click that, SocialBook Cartoonizer tool pops up, and it gives you those three tabs, which is Facetune, sticker, and effects. So since we already covered in my past videos, the link should be here or here. My past videos of how to use the Facetune. We're gonna just focus on the new updates to the Cartoonizer, which is sticker and effects. So you click sticker. Say if you want to have like a Squid Game sticker effect, click sticker, click Squid Game, and then you update an image. Upload an image. Whatever image you want to upload, you upload it. Okay, I uploaded an image. I have this image on the right hand side. Now, all you have to do is just press transform. Since you already also make sure you have whatever you selected, it has to be highlighted. So the blue box that's around indicates that you selected that particular sticker style. Once that's confirmed, and you got your picture uploaded, you put transform. Click transform, this is what happens. So a code pops up, you put in the code and you put confirm. VNUQ, you just click confirm, and then let it load a little bit. It takes a little bit to load. And there you go. They added they come the closest they can to, I guess, cartoonizing your face and putting it on a Squid Game image, which is pretty cool, So you can do Squid Game too. Transform that. You gotta change the image again though. But remember, if you wanna see how your face looks, cartoonize on Squid Game image 2. You have to you have to change the image. You can't just transform and expect it to change, to transition from Squid Game 1 image to Squid Game 2 image. You gotta change image. Go to wherever you got the image at. Get the image again. Click Squid Game 2. Then transform. Put in the code. JKK. Boom. Wait for it to load, obviously. Then after that, that's it. Not too bad, not too shabby. Now, they have a slew of other effects, other stickers that you could choose from. Other stickers you could choose from, Aquaman, Batgirl, Batman, Black Adam, Cyborg, a whole bunch of different characters. So, it's not too bad. Now, since that's covered, let's go to the effects. Now there's a whole bunch of different effects you can add to your image. So let me get out of here, upload the image again that I want to use. Use the same image. Where's it at? Okay. So now you have like a Sunday effect, Paris, Halloween, vivid, optical, fade. Have a whole bunch of different things. So for today we're gonna use Van Gogh, right? Shout outs to my man right here. Amazing artist, old school, been around. He made some really, really good artwork in his time. Very famous art. I actually came from one of his, a museum of his, or just like a performance that they had, showcasing his whole catalog, or like almost all of his catalog of art, which is amazing. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna click Van Gogh, right? And then I'm gonna do transform. Boom. Put the code in, JJ, or is that an L? J. No, that's another J. Okay. It's 2 J's. Okay, boom. Let it load. Let's see how this looks. Ooh, that looks pretty dope. Kind of like that image. That's really about it, people. We'll go to retro. Remember, since we're staying somewhat in the same effect. I mean, not the same effect, but since we're in effect and it's not like Squid Game 1 or 2, you could keep your image and just load it. And we keep the image and just change the effect. You can do it with this, and here I got another effect, retro future. Not too bad at all. Not too bad at all, people. Yeah, see, this is. I kind of like this. Actually, these new effects that they put up here, I kind of like them, man. I really do like them compared to the old ones. It seems like they got a little more oomph to it. And mind you, this is free. This is all free stuff. And then once again, if you want to download it, just click download, and it goes directly to wherever the area that you put your download files at. It's free. So if you want to like do a thumbnail with this kind of artwork, it's not too bad, not too shabby at all. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, talking about how you can use, or rather the updates on the Cartoonizer tool and SocialBook IO. I hope this video helps you guys and girls out. With that being said, this is your boy Wes. I'm out of here. Peace.